Hello, my friend. Welcome to the session of Wellness, Wonder and Learning. Today, we will know about the revolutionary development and innovation in environmental monitoring and the role of mobile labs and drones in sustainable pollution control. What is the recent innovative research? My dear friend, traditional monitoring methods are often time-consuming, requiring off-site analysis and delaying necessary mitigation actions. So, it was very essential to develop a technology which can monitor the pollutants instantly and also find out at the same time the source of pollution, from where pollution is being created. The integration of mobile laboratory and technology and drone-based sampling is transforming the landscape of environmental monitoring. Using selected ion flow tube mass spectrometry (SIFT-MS), scientists can now conduct rapid real-time detection of hazardous pollutants, ensuring swift responses to environmental hazards. Now, here we will try to explore the impact of mobile SIFT-MS laboratories and drone technology in monitoring industrial pollution with ease of the methods. And here we will also try to see the case study highlighting their effectiveness. Furthermore, we will discuss how these innovations contribute to sustainable industrial operation and long-term environmental health. Industrial emissions contribute significantly to air pollution, leading to adverse effects on human health, ecosystem, and climate change. Traditional pollution monitoring techniques rely on fixed monitoring stations and periodic sampling collection, which introduce several limitations: delayed analysis and response times, limited geographic coverage, inaccuracy in pinpointing pollution source. This is the very essential aspects of this monitoring system. To overcome these challenges, researchers and regulatory agencies are tuning to real-time mobile pollution monitoring systems that integrate SIFT-MS and drone-based sampling. These solutions offer high accuracy, rapid analysis, and enhanced accessibility to remote or hazardous locations. Now we will see the power of SIFT-MS mobile laboratories. What is SIFT-MS? Selected ion flow tube mass spectrometry (SIFT-MS) is an advanced analytical technique that enables instant real-time detection of volatile organic compounds (VOCs) and other hazardous pollutants. Unlike conventional chromatography-based methods, SIFT-MS eliminates the need for sample preparation and provides immediate results. This is very amazing. Advantages of SIFT-MS over traditional methods. Now, speed. In terms of speed, we will talk that real-time pollutant analysis without extensive sample processing. This gives amazing speed of analysis and finding out the source of the pollutants. Accuracy. It is capable of detecting multiple pollutants simultaneously, and mobility can be deployed in vehicles or portable labs for on-site testing. SIFT-MS mobile laboratories allow continuous monitoring of industrial zones, power plants, waste treatment facilities, and urban centers, ensuring proactive pollution control measures. Now, here we will see the case studies. Industrial emission monitoring in South Korea. Now, the Ban-ol National Industrial Complex study. In South Korea, the National Institute of Environmental Research (NIER) developed a mobile monitoring workflow that integrates SIFT-MS with drone-based sampling. A study was conducted at the Banwal National Industrial Complex, a major industrial hub, to track emissions from factories and refineries. Now, the location was Banwal Industrial Complex, South Korea. Techniques used was fence line monitoring with SIFT-MS mobile labs and drone-assisted air sampling at identified pollution hotspots. Now, what was the finding? Pollutants detected benzene, toluene, xylene, hydrogen sulfide, and methyl ethyl ketone (MEK). Now, SIFT-MS mobile labs conducted real-time analysis at 9 different locations. 3 major hotspots with high pollution levels were identified. Drone air sampling confirmed the exact emission sources. Immediate regulatory action was taken against the violating industries. This study demonstrated how combining mobile labs and drone leads to faster pollution detection and response, ultimately improving environmental compliance and public health. Now, global potential. Implementing SIFT-MS and drone monitoring has very innovative approach. This approach is not limited to South Korea. It has global applications in industrial pollution monitoring, climate research, and regulatory compliances. The key benefits are very much. That is, rapid response. It eliminates delays associated with traditional lab testing, precision monitoring, pinpointing exact pollution source for targeted action. Accessibility. Drones collected air samples from difficult to reach areas, and regulatory compliance supports immediate enforcement of pollution control measures. And this is recently very much come into news, and in Europe it is used in refining zones to track benzene emissions. In the United States, applied in monitoring hazardous waste incinerations. In India, it can be adopted for tracking industrial pollution in high-risk zones like Delhi, Mumbai, and Chennai. By integrating these technologies globally, governments and industries can reduce pollution, lower health risks, and more towards sustainable industrial practices. So, this is very much essential to adopt this technology, and its future is that AI-driven smart environmental monitoring. Potential future developments are, that is, expanding SIFT-MS mobile labs in more countries, AI-powered automated emission tracking in industrial plants, and IoT-based real-time air quality monitoring networks. With advancements in artificial intelligence and Internet of Things (AIoT), mobile SIFT-MS labs and drone will play a crucial role in predicting environmental analytics. These tools will not only track pollution incidents but also forecast future trends and optimize industrial processes to minimize emissions. The thing is that a sustainable future for environmental monitoring is ahead. We should also go for this. Industrial pollution remains a pressing concern worldwide. However, mobile SIFT-MS laboratories and drones-assisted monitoring have emerged as game-changing technology in the light of today's scenario, and it will fight against environmental degradation. By enabling real-time, precise, and proactive pollution monitoring, these innovations empower industries, regulatory bodies, and environmental researchers to identify pollution sources faster. It is very necessary to identify pollution sources firstly, enforce regulations more effectively, and promote cleaner, sustainable industrial operations. Now, as these technologies continue to evolve, real-time environmental monitoring will become an essential tool for achieving global sustainability goals and ensuring cleaner air for future generations. So now, revolutionizing pollution control, smart, sustainable, and sustainable solutions for a greener future is ahead, and we should go for it. Thank you very much.